What kind of data should I be collecting? That's exactly what we are going to touch on next. The process of collecting data. In brief, a WSH performance report should consist of the following key indicators: WSH objectives and targets, and data to be collected on WSH performance. We'll begin with the first piece of data that has to be in the WSH report: WSH objectives and targets. In a WSH performance report, the WSH objectives and targets must be stated clearly in order to set the message clear. Data from performance indicators will have to be included in the report. We want to include the best practices observed in the report. Other than seeking out problematic areas, such as the non-performance areas, we want to also point out things that have been done well, such as best practices. We would have to include gaps and non-compliance if identified. As we have covered earlier, there are usually gaps between the actual performance and the expected performance. This gap reflects the non-compliance, and it should be identified and included in the WSH report. Do you still remember what CAPA is? That's right. CAPA, or CAPA, is short for Corrective Action Preventive Action. After highlighting the gaps that are present, we must continue by talking about the corrective and preventive actions that we may take. Before you end off with the conclusion, you should include the status of the corrective actions and preventive action. This comes after you introduce the corrective action and preventive action that you recommended. Once the status is up on the WSH report, you know you are ready to end it all off with the conclusion.